So I've been hearing some weird noises. You can hear it in the background right now as I'm coming down. I don't know what it is. And this is not clickbait of any kind of sort. I promise you. I'm going to stand out here for a few seconds and just not talk and listen. Sounds like dogs, I know, but it's been going off for ages. This also sounds pretty close too. I don't know what the heck that is, but it's going off constantly. And I don't know if it's somebody's neighbor or one of our neighbors letting their dogs bark over and over and over and over again. If so, that's a little bit ridiculous. But yeah, I'll let you be the judge of this video. I'm out.